Welcome back, guys, for another weekly geo analysis. So on a daily time frame right now, our structure is broken because price broke above this last low high that was made and create now a higher low, right? So we should be looking for buys right now until price show us a reason why we should be looking for sales, right? So right now we should be looking for buy on lower time frame. Daily time frame structure is broken right now. 8-4 time frame, price is still bearish. There's no structure actually broken yet, even though this lower high that's right here, even this lower high that's here, price did work above. We need to see at least another bullish candles above that to say this lower high is broken, right? But at the same time, if price give us a high low on this time frame or lower time frame, we're gonna take our buyer opportunity. Currently, right now, H4 is still bearish until we see a higher low being made on H4. H1 H1 time frame, the structure is broken, right? Structure is broken on H1, so we are waiting for a higher low to be made for us to look for a buy opportunity. How I would go about this is either have my fibs drawn from point A to point B. However, far down H1 time frame retrace at, our TP should be at least negative 27% if you're using the fibs level. But if you look on our higher time frame, this price 1.27 is a resistance level, right? We could also aim that level for our TP level based on how we're looking at structure right now. So once we find the opportunity for buys on GU, once it give us the higher low we're looking for, then we're gonna take that. Our TP will be 1.27%. I mean, not 27%, 1.27 price point, and that'll be our TP, or the last high low that was made that was broken on each one. Those two options are valid. Yes, this is it for this video. Not gonna make it too long. Trying to keep it simple. Like I said, daily time frame structure is broken. Right now, we're looking for buy opportunity. Right now, we're waiting for a higher low on H1. H1 will be my main time frame every time I trade. So I'm waiting for a higher low on H1 for me to look for buy. This is it for this video. Good luck, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.